So welcome everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So there is some problem going on in trading view, so that's why I'm recording the video on kite. So in kite, so let's see what happened for what we have for tomorrow. In Nifty, if you see that it has stretched, our analysis was that if it is break the resistance level, then only we'll initiate our long trade, and it has exactly consolidated in the top and then given breakout, and we have get a very good target if you initiated that trade. So this was the analysis for Nifty, and it has exactly happened, what we have expected. So for tomorrow our analysis will be like market had stretched a lot from the from today, from the 10 to till the market closed. So our analysis will be let market come anywhere between this range, then plan your trade. Don't, if market open in this range, take support from here. Don't just jump on the trade, because along with our market, in global market is very important for us today, because Nasdaq has rallied from the bottom out of almost, if you see the chart, 45%, and some of the stocks like Tesla, Nvidia start showing some profit booking. So if we get a correction in the global market, that can impact tomorrow's our market tomorrow as well. Okay, so that's why a little bit of have to take care of this range. So if market open in this range somewhere here, flat or 50%, 50 point gap up or gap down, let market come somewhere here, let it take support, then plan for long after retest all this range. Don't just jump on a trade. I am repeating it multiple times. It will not according to your risk to reward ratio, it will not support. Okay, so whenever market you find that coming in this range, it will be very important. It will be very easy for us. If we see market come 19,850, somewhere here, it will be very easy for us to trade above this range. And if you're planning for selling, like what happened in last day, like opening at the resistance zone and get a very good selling, then 940 will be a important area to watch out. If it is given a breakdown, you can go for selling as well. From this range you can get a very good trade, and 840, 850, this level can be easily tested. And that's all for the Nifty. And if you find that market consolidating in the top like today at the top, then give me breakout, then only go for long. Otherwise don't just dump on trade. It will not support our risk to reward ratio. So now if I move towards the Nifty Bank, so in Nifty Bank our analysis was very simple. That this previous resistance zone, if it is given a breakout, only then we only initiate our trade. And it has happened similarly. It is given a breakout, and I have traded only two options, Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the stocks which I have discussed. Actually, I can't show you because there is some problem in trading going on. So the stocks has almost all stocks are flat, so there is no trade has been activated in the stock section. So we have only initiated two trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, our analysis will be like same like Nifty. Market opening in this range, let market take support from these two important area. Number one is 46,000 in this range, and another one is 45,837. Mark these levels, it is very important for you. So mark whenever market come in this range, and taking support from here, anywhere here, then you can plan for long then you can plan for long. Okay, so I'm not used zero, so that's why I'm facing a little bit of problem. So if whenever market comes in zero, then you can plan for long. Similarly, like here, if you're finding the market are taking some support from here, also you can plan long with 50 rupees stop loss. And then it is whenever, if you're a safe trader, like if it is consolidated like today, break the all-time high area, then going long, then you can plan your trade here. Or similarly, like at the top level, if you find market is taking rejections, you also can plan from the top for the rejections. And if for upper side target, now 46,300 above only initiate trade for upside, then 46,400, 450, this level will be act as a very important level. And for the bottom line, I would say ki 45,837 below, 45,656, 45,500, all these are very important area for tomorrow. And now move towards the stocks which I'm going to discuss. Important stocks, that is number one is the Kotak Mahindra Bank. If Kotak Mahindra Bank, tomorrow it has the result date. Okay, so if I okay, no, here it is not happening. So in a daily time frame, if you see, it is almost trading in its rejections area in 15, okay, in 1 hour time frame for better understanding. So this is almost trading in resistance area around 1970. Okay, this is the rejection area. So as it has the earning, like HDFC Bank, we have discussed before result, it has some stock showing buying, and after result, it was showing selling. And same happened with IndusInd Bank. Before result, it was showing buying, and after result, it has started showing selling. So this can happen here. It is showing buying. This is the rejection zone. If everything is good, then market can break this level. If it is break this level, then you can get usually target of below 20 1970 above 20,000 level. Market can easily test it. Okay, and if it is reverse somewhere here according to the result, then it also can show some selling from the top. And let me move towards the 15 minutes time frame. And in 15 minutes time frame, whenever it's break this level of 1944, you can plan for selling if it is break this level. Okay, then 1920 1914, this level can be easily tested. Okay, so let's move towards the HDFC Bank. Same like Kotak Mahindra Bank. In HDFC Bank also, it has some, HDFC Bank only plan for buying, don't plan it for selling. See, it has trading at its resistance area. This area 1690, it is the resistance area for HDFC Bank. If you find if it is given breakout of this range, you can plan for breakout. The target will be 1700, 1700, and above 1700, 1716 also can be tested. And if it is also break out this level, so if you find there is a gap, that also can be traded. Okay, so this is simple analysis for HDFC Bank. Breakout of this range, go for first target, and if it's also break this level, go for second target. And here if you think shift to a stop loss above this range, and if you also break this range, go for the another is gap, also can be traded. So the next is TCS. TCS, it is if global market is positive, the momentum will be dependent on that. So there is a trend line you can draw from the bottom to top, and similarly you also can draw the support area 3438. This is an important level. So if you see some profit booking in the Nasdaq, so that can also impact our IT stocks. So 3438, after breakdown of this range, you will get a very good target in TCS. The first target will be the 3400. This is an important area, and below this 3400, 3360 also can be tested for TCS. And if everything is good, if it is given breakout of this range, you can plan for buying as well above 3475, marking that level also. Above 3475 you can plan for buying. Then 3500, 3520, this level also can be tested for TCS. And the another stocks which I'm going to discuss, it is Infi. If you see that Infi also has the result date tomorrow, so that wise Infi also can be volatile. So it is trading at 1442 in its support area. So here also you can get both side trade. If it is break 1442, then the next target that you can get is 1431 very easily. And if it is also break 1431, then 1420 also can be traded. And similarly for the upside target, if it is break this range twice, it has rejections 1452. After the break of this range, you can get a very good target around first target. A little bit hurdle it can face in this area. Okay, and above that 1470 will be your next target. This is simple analysis. We will only play breakout or breakdown in Infosys, and as it has resulted, we can expect volatility as well. So the last stocks which I'm going to discuss, it is M&M Finance. M&M Finance, if you see that, it is trading on its rejection zone. See, this is the rejection zone. It has every time it has faced rejections, and now it has consolidating in the top. Whenever it will give a breakout of 323, okay, with the stop loss of today's closing around 322, 1 rupees will be your stop loss, and you will get a very good target around 327 is your first target. If it is break that level, and above that, if it is if it is also break 327, then 330 332 also be the possible target for tomorrow for M&M Finance. Okay, so that's all guys, that's all for the video. And if you're also planning for selling in M&M Finance, let it, don't directly plan any trade, because there are multiple support. You can draw this trend line for better understanding. If it is break this lane, then trend line, then you also can go for selling in M&M Finance. But it will be better if we get upside target. It will be very good directional move. Okay, so that's all for this video guys. And if it is possible, I will share the result tomorrow as well. And best of luck for tomorrow.